Charming and adorable, invite one of nature's most beloved animals into your home with the Koala Diffuser. It's the perfect way to introduce your little ones to essential oils, and it makes a great addition to your child's nursery, bedroom or play area. When operated continuously, the fine mists can cover a room of up to 25 meters squared for up to 4 hours, and intermittently for up to 8 hours. With dim and bright, warm, ambient light settings, create a wholesome, friendly environment during story time by using the Koala. Before bedtime, choose one of the 4 music options, from a piano lullaby, natural Australian bush sounds, meditation music, or birds chirping at sunrise. Make the Koala Diffuser a part of your family today.